बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। तालीम चैनल में आप सबको खुश आमदीद। आज हम क्लास 2 का इंग्लिश का यूनिट नंबर 2 पढ़ेंगे। 2.1 ओरल कम्युनिकेशन सोशल कर्टिसीज। It is a dialogue between a teacher and a student where a student is asking about the permission to come into the class. Rabia: Good morning, miss. Miss: Good morning. Rabia: May I come in, miss? Miss: Yes, come in. What is your name? Rabia: I am Rabia, miss. Miss: Are you in this class? Rabia: Yes, miss, I am in this class. Miss: Please come in, sit down. Rabia: Thank you, miss. Now look at the page number 9, 2.2 reading. My new class. I am Rabia. मैं राबिया हूँ. I am in class 2. मैं दूसरी जमात में हूँ. Today is my first day at school. आज मेरा स्कूल में पहला दिन है. I have come to school by bus. मैं स्कूल बस के ज़रिए आती हूँ. My uniform is new. मेरी वर्दी नई है. My bag is also new. मेरा बस्ता भी नया है. My new class is big. मेरी नई जमात बड़ी है. It has 2 windows. इसमें 2 खिड़कियाँ हैं. My desk is near a window. मेरी डेस्क खिड़की के पास है. My friend नसीमा sits with me. मेरी दोस्त नसीमा मेरे साथ बैठती है. A blackboard is in front of the class. क्लास में बिल्कुल सामने तख्ता स्याह बना हुआ है. A clock hang on the wall. एक घड़ी दीवार पर लगी हुई है. There are 20 students in my class. मेरी जमात में 20 तुलबा हैं. We are all friends. हम तमाम दोस्त हैं. I like my classroom. मुझे अपना क्लासरूम पसंद है. Now look at the page number 10. Fill in the blanks given below. I have done it for you. Example: Rabia is in class 2. Number 1. It is her first day at school. Number 2. She is wearing her new uniform. Number 3. The new classroom has 2 windows. Number 4. Rabia and her friend Nasima sits at the same desk. Now look at the question number 2. Answer the following question. Example: How has Rabia come to school? Rabia come to school by bus. Question number 2. Where is her desk? Her desk is near a window. Question number 3. Who sits with Rabia? Answer: Her friend Nasima sits with Rabia. Question number 4. How many students are there in class 2? Answer: There are 20 students in class 2. Here I also upload the copy work which should be done in the copies. Mind map my new class. First day, classroom, window, uniform, student, school. Words meaning: today आज, first पहला, कम आना, यूनिफॉर्म वर्दी, बैग बस्ता, बिग बड़ा, विंडोज़ खिड़कियाँ, सिट बैठना, फ्रंट सामने, क्लॉक घड़ी, हैंग लटकना, वॉल दीवार, स्टूडेंट तलबा, लाइक पसंद, नियर करीब. Question answer. Question number 1. How Rabia come to school? Answer: Rabia come to school by bus. Question number 2. Where is her desk? Answer: Her desk is near a window. Question number 3. Who sits with Rabia? Answer: Her friend Nasima sits with Rabia. Question number 4. How many students are there in class 2? There are 20 students in class 2. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Rabia is in class 2. Number 2. It is her first day at school. Number 3, she is wearing new uniform. Number 4, the new classroom has 2 windows. Number 5, Nasima is Rabia's friend. Now look at the page number 11. Activity 3, write the names of 3 objects in Rabia's class. Example, blackboard. Number 1, window. Number 2, clock. Number 3, desk. Post reading, is your classroom like Rabia's classroom? Yes. Write 3 things about your own class. Number 1, green board. Number 2, charts. Number 3, desk. Now look at the page number 12. Punctuation, grammar. Read the following sentences. Ahmed is flying a kite. Sumaira is riding a bicycle. A statement which makes a plain statement starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Activity, rewrite each of the following sentences correctly. Begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. For example, apples are sweet. I read the each sentence, but you have to rewrite the sentences. Keep in mind, first letter should be capital and full stop will be at the end. Number 1, I play with my friend. Number 2, we play in the playground. Number 3, Nadir likes ice cream. Number 4, my classroom is clean. On page number 13. Number 5, we put the rubbish in the dustbin. Amin always speak the truth. Number 7, my sister like biscuits. Number 8, Mano is my pet cat. A, write a sentence about yourself. I read in class 2. B, write a sentence about your friend. She is a good girl. Now on page number 14, language practice, grammar, describing words. Here I also uploaded the definition of describing words known as adjective. A word which describes a noun or a pronoun is called an adjective. For example, red rose, new car. Red and new are adjective. Now look at the page number 14. There are some words that tell us more about the pupil and things. For example, first day, new uniform, 4 windows. These words are called describing words or adjective. A, join the describing words with the name of pupil or things in the classroom. Clever, student. First, desk, new, uniform, friendly, teacher. Exercise B, write 2 nouns after the following adjectives. Example, big, elephant, bus, red, rose, toy, blue, ball, box, long, neck, hair, new, book, pencil, cream, shoes, teeth. On page number 15, 2.4, writing. Write 5 sentences about someone you know very well in your class. Do not write his or her actual name. You can use some words from the box. Tall, short, thin, fat, black, brown eyes, long, short hair, mangoes, apple. Example, guess who? You have to write 4 sentences about your classmate and then ask your friends, guess the name. Number 1, my friend is tall. Number 2, she is thin. Number 3, she has black eyes. Number 4, she has long hair. Unit number 2 has been completed here. I hope you like my videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.